People are staring at me like I'm mad driving around here. That's it. This is a 1,000 horsepower Hennessey Mammoth, and I'm going to use it to see what it's like to live with a huge high-performance American pickup truck in the UK. What could possibly go wrong? Buy, sell,
Carwow.
A sleepy, quiet English village probably isn't the ideal place to be driving this big gas-guzzling 1,000 horsepower American pickup truck, but let's see how we get on. Okay, so here's the first obstacle. I want to go right up here. This could be chaos. It's now definitely going to be chaos. Oh, you see, you should have waited. Impatience is not good. Okay, so this is not easy. They're like width restrictors. Okay, got through there. Oh, yeah. Now we're going down a very narrow bit here. Thankfully, I have priority. Ah, van man, you must wait. Ooh. I've never seen a white van reverse up to let you pass before. They don't normally do it. Okay, I need to go right here, which is not going to be easy. Might have to just, come on, can you get past? Come on. Right, here comes a 3-point turn. It's going to have to be. Sorry, everybody. Thankfully, I've got a reversing camera. Oh dear. Right, here's someone in a Range Rover, probably used to like people giving way, but they're going to have to give away this time. Sorry. Oh, this is a bit tricky. Thank God for the sensors. Oh, hello. Might have to just go up the cub a little bit. Oh, this is not going to be easy. Oh, this is so hard. People are staring at me like I'm mad driving around here. I think they're right. Can I get round here without hitting one of the pub benches? Oh, he's risky. He's shaking his head at me like I'm mad. Oh, he's not happy. He's not happy about me having this. Just oh, just got to ease out. Sorry. Sorry about that. Please forgive me. Sorry. See, the Americans don't do this. It's very British to be going sorry the whole time. Done. Ah. Survived without any scrapes. Now I think I'm going to go to the retail park. It's very American. Oh no, I'm running low on fuel. I need to go and fill up with petrol. Sorry, not petrol, gas. Why do they call it gas? It's not gas, it's a liquid. Anyway, let's go fill up. Oh, excuse me. Sorry. Excuse me. Oh, this is going to be bloody awkward, this is. I'm going to have to do about 1 million manoeuvres. Oh, come on. Okay, here we go. Don't think the guy behind's going to get past me. Right. Hopefully this isn't going to be too expensive. Let's find out. Come on then. Got a feeling this is going to hurt. Sorry, this guy behind, I've trapped in. He doesn't realise how long this could take. Sorry. The people wedged in between me and the van are very cross. However, the guy in the van could reverse up, but I think he's enjoying the drama too much. Oh my God, we're already well over £100. In fact, it's 120, and it's still going. How big is this tank? I'm paying 182.9 pence per litre. And the Americans moan about their gas prices. They should come live here. Oh, this is insane. Is this going to break the £200 barrier? I've never put more than £200 in a car. Right, I think we're done. It has stopped at 101 litres and over £180. Now, I've got to pay. I'm not going to enjoy this bit. See you in a bit. I need to call my bank first.
Some time later.
Turns out that actually this had a cut-off, so it's not full yet. Cut off at just over 100 litres. I've got to go again. If you get him to reverse up, you can get out. Okay. Oh, they're getting really mad now behind. I can't blame them. I'm going to be the most hated person at this Tesco forecourt. Still going, yeah, look, here we go. That's it, it's full. I got the clicks, finally. Go as quick as I can before the people behind me kill me. Okay, right, better go pay for the other bit in here. They're getting annoyed behind. Okay, so here we go. £184 and another £27. So that's over 200 quid. I better get going because they're going to kill me. I'm going now, sorry about that. I'm really sorry. Oh dear. Oh gosh. Oh, they hate me and I can't blame them. Oh my God, here we go, let's get out of here. That was very expensive, the most I've ever put in a vehicle. That is the American dream. I think they've had an American nightmare. Right, I've got my fuel, but my truck's a bit dirty, so I'm gonna give it a clean. There's no way I'll fit in one of those automated car washes. This is just too big, so I'm gonna have to jet wash it. Thankfully, there's enough room in this bay. Just. Annoyingly, I'm low on cash now after paying for all that fuel, so I can only do the minimum bend on this, so I'm gonna have to be super quick trying to get this done. So, minimum bend is £2, that's all I'm gonna do. Doesn't seem like this accepts Amex. Thankfully, when you've got one of these, you need to make sure you've got a few bank accounts to pay for everything. So, let's try this one. That worked. Here we go. Gotta be quick. Oh, never shut that properly. It's so big, it's just so big. Not the best job. Getting a workout doing this. I've just got 2 minutes left. Come on, try and get it clean. How do I get the roof? I suppose I could climb on the low bed, but I don't have time. I've totally got this. The roof's just gonna have to be partially done. "10 seconds! Oh God! No! Ah! That's it. I'm out of cash. I'll finish off at home. Okay, so that's done. It's not ideal. I guess I can finish it off with this. There we go, look! Absolutely fine. You know what, all that running around has made me peckish. I think I need some food. Oh yeah, let's go find something to eat. Ah, perfect! The Golden Arches. Let's have a drive through McDonald's. A very American meal in a very American vehicle. Oh, wait a minute, this is a bit tight. Well, not if you're in a normal car. This is going to be a struggle to get through here, so I'm going to have to deploy my optional helper. It's really handy to get you through tight spots. It's only available, this upgrade, in the UK for obvious reasons. You don't need it in the States. There he goes, he's been deployed. Hopefully he's got the alloy wheel protection system built in. Here we go, almost there. Oh gosh, this is American, so it's left-hand drive. The drive-throughs are set up for right-hand drive. Where's the bloody window? Hello?
Hi, is everything alright?
Everything's fine as long as I can get a breakfast bacon roll, please.
Would you like ketchup or brown sauce with that?
I'd like brown sauce.
Good choice.
Yeah.
Anything else?
No, that's it, thanks.
Fab, when you're able, if you just want to continue round for me.
Okay, see you shortly.
Take care.
I need to take care because this is so big. Okay. Went for brown sauce because it's very, very British. You don't get that in America. Thankfully, this drive-through is reasonably wide. Yeah. Doesn't matter if you go up the curb in this because it's got 37-inch tyres. This is the bit I'm slightly worried about. Come on, get round. I've literally no idea where the edges of this vehicle are. Oh, I've just driven past the blooming window. Here we go again. Hello. I've come to get my breakfast roll with brown sauce. That's it? Can I pay? Next window? Another window?
Yeah, food.
Okay. Right, here we go again. Oh God. Right. Don't want that beeping at me. Safety first, everybody. Oh. Here we go. Oh, I've done it again! I'm too busy watching my spotter that I'm missing the windows. Oh, there's someone behind me. Hello. Oh, sorry about this. Just bear with me. That's it.
Oh. Never. I can't reach you.
All right, thank you very much. Have a good day. Oh. Tell you what, this is going to be guilt-free breakfast because I reckon I've burnt off all the calories that's in this just blooming getting it. Let's park up and find somewhere to enjoy my food. Oh, here we go. And now all I need to do is get my spotter back on board. Come on. Before I go eat, I need to just pick up an essential item which I forgot to buy, so just find myself a parking space. Here we go, this will do it. I guess that'll have to do.
A few moments later.
That should be fine in there. Oh dear, I read a notice that says you get a fine if you don't park properly in the bays, but I'm not too worried because where they're going to send the fine to? Texas. Let's head back. I've had enough of this, it's too stressful. Oh, this is sketchy around here. Blind corners, wide vehicle, hope no one's going quick the other way. Oh. Passing lorries on country roads when you're on the wrong side of the car is not fun. Oops. Due to the weight of this truck, I can only do 60 miles an hour on a piece of dual carriageway in the UK. On the motor I can do 70, but dual carriageway, 60, whereas a car would be able to do 70. One of the other drawbacks. I hope my plant's all right in the back. Can't really see it. I'm sure it's fine. Oh dear, that's a little bit of a mess. And so too is trying to drive around a big American pickup truck in Britain. You know, our roads are just too narrow for them. I love them out in the US when you've got these wide roads, but here, not so much. Anyway, I hope you'll enjoy the video. If you did, give it a like. Click on those windows there for some more videos, and on that box there to go to Carwow to find out how much your car is really worth. All you have to do is upload some photos and our dealers will bid on your car. Simple and free.